As Chair of the International Economic Council, one of the great experiences of the Assembly has been to have the opportunity of understanding the way in which the new administration has reacted to the decisions of the 46th General Chapter. One of the issues of that chapter was to emphasise one LaSalle, and the new governance organisation has attempted to do that. In the way in which it has attempted this, two things stand out. One is the idea of synodality, and the other is the idea of cross-pollination. And in terms of the way in which we operate, the Plenary Assembly has given us the chance to experience that. Synodality in the sense that although there are levels of governance present here in the Institute, everybody's opinion is treated as equal. And from the point of view of cross-pollination, it's been wonderful to see how people's ideas and attitudes have changed as a result of the exchanges.